Hey guys, I'm Darren from AutoDetailer Studio and welcome to our All Access vlog. Today we'll be taking you through the Porsche 991.2 Carrera S, which is undergoing our signature detailing. The Porsche 991.2 Carrera S is powered by a 3-liter twin turbocharged engine that produces 378 pounds-per-feet of torque. This car was custom fitted with ClearGuard Nano SR PPF over 2 years ago and is back for an annual detailing maintenance routine. Take a look at how well preserved the original paint is underneath the paint protection film. Typical of ClearGuard Nano SR PPF, the gloss and clarity of the finish is stunning. It's always a joy to see our PPF custom installation, which has a seamless look for an invisible finish with a gloss that is twice that of the original paint. This car is primarily used for long-distance commutes and is driven hard. Since the wheels had curb rashes and chipping, we had the wheels repaired, then powder coated in a high gloss black and treated with a wheel coating system for ease of care. We also fitted an original Porsche carbon fiber steering wheel with multifunction controls for our client. Nothing like starting off the year with some upgrades. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share your comments below. Follow our social media pages for more content like this. See you next time.